Welcome to the exciting world of reptiles and amphibians. Reptiles. What are they? Imagine animals that are cold-blooded with dry, scaly skin. Examples: think of lizards, snakes, turtles, and even crocodiles. Characteristics: picture most reptiles laying eggs, having lungs to breathe, and thriving in various habitats like deserts, forests, and water. Fun facts about reptiles: turtles. These cool creatures have a tough shell for protection. Snakes, watch them slither effortlessly without any legs. Lizards, they can actually shed their tails to escape danger and grow a brand new one. Amphibians, what are they? Meet amphibians, also cold-blooded but with smooth, moist skin. Example: discover frogs, toads, and salamanders in this group. Characteristics: they kick off their lives in water, using gills to breathe just like tadpoles. As they grow, they switch to lungs and enjoy both water and land habitats. Fun facts about amphibians. Frogs, these jump masters can leap impressively far. Toads, with bumpy skin, they prefer dry spots to hang out. Salamanders, look out for their vibrant colors as a warning sign to others that they're not on the menu. Activities for kids. Drawing, encourage the little ones to sketch their favorite reptile or amphibian. Storytime, dive into exciting tales about these animals and their adventures. Sound matching, play sounds these creatures make and let the kids guess who's making the noise. Get ready to spark young minds with the wonders of these incredible animals in a fun and engaging way.